Hello, ladies and gentlemen. If you've ever found yourself wondering what it takes to make that special someone chase after you, you're in the right place. From the exhilaration of childhood dreams to the realities of adult romance, we all desire that deep connection. But let's be real. The dating world can be tough, and understanding what makes someone truly chase after you can be a game changer. In today's video, we are diving into an in-depth exploration of the topic. Do this, and 99% of girls will chase you. Now, buckle up, because we're about to uncover the 7 crucial rules that could reshape your dating game. Rule 1. Stop getting validations. Before delving into the other 6 rules, let's start with the foundation that can transform you into a high-value man. To make any woman chase you, the first rule is to let go of seeking validations. Many believe that seeking approval from others for your qualities, charisma, or skills is a positive thing. However, the reality is quite the opposite. Pause for a moment and consider. Would you truly embrace your charisma if it only counted when others approved of it? The same goes for your qualities. Let me emphasize this: you do not require external validation to build your self-worth. This principle holds even more significance when it comes to interactions with women. When you are with her, dismiss the urge to seek validation. Embrace your authentic self, and she'll naturally be drawn to you. The magic happens when she perceives a man who isn't driven by the need for validation. At this point, she'll instinctively strive to impress you, seeking validation from you instead. Here's the key. If you desire validation from a woman, prove your worth through your actions rather than mere words. It's actions that truly demonstrate your value, not empty declarations. Rule 2. Believe in yourself. To become the pursued prize in her eyes, embrace self-belief as many men do when they underestimate their own appeal compared to their partners. These men regard their partners as superior due to their active social presence on platforms like Instagram, a vast social circle, and a taste for luxury that they themselves can't provide. These notions fill their minds. However, remember that this mental scenario is shaping your reality. I've witnessed men with very little capturing women's attention simply because they see themselves as exceptional. As you adopt this mindset, women will perceive you in the same light. Understand that confidence and charisma, stemming from self-assuredness, are the key attributes that can ignite a woman's interest in you. Rule 3. Lead by making decisions. This rule holds immense importance for every man's understanding. It has the power to transform or stagnate you. In the realm of decision-making, many men falter, and when this apprehension is sensed by her, it dampens her interest. Keep in mind, men are historically and culturally expected to be the leaders and decision-makers, from ancient times to the present. Women have always esteemed these qualities, valuing men for their authoritative decision-making abilities. When you are planning a date, rather than asking her to pick a blazer, take charge by informing her about the chosen restaurant for the day. Be ready. Realize that in doing so, you've relieved her from the burden of decision-making. Now, her focus will shift to presenting herself impressively. Grasp the fact that assuming the lead and making decisions will radiate confidence. A confidence that will captivate her and drive her towards an intense fascination with you. Rule 4. Set your standards higher. A man's standards are his unique set of guidelines outlining what's acceptable and unacceptable. In simpler terms, they shape your identity. These social norms and values influence your character, communication style, interactions with others, and notably, your thresholds for acceptance and refusal. However, concerning women, many men neglect upholding elevated standards. Inadvertently, they compromise or lower their standards to appease women, resulting in a decline in their self-esteem. When you make concessions on your standards for a woman, your value diminishes. She perceives you as lacking firmness and personal limits. If you're not inclined to dine out, a simple no suffices. If her behavior degrades, A reality check is warranted. When you openly and honestly express your standards, you become impervious to harm. Comprehend this. Possessing high standards enhances your allure to women, as they desire candid, direct men who respect their own boundaries. Rule 5. Speak less about yourself. A man with an irresistible character doesn't divulge excessive details about himself, setting him apart distinctly. Keep in mind, women aren't inclined to hear the intricacies of your life. Therefore, avoid being an open book. Instead, maintain an element of intrigue by leaving gaps in your narrative, encouraging her to inquire further, contemplate what she's learned, and employ her own curiosity to complete the picture. Even when addressing queries, provide minimal information that satisfies her curiosity. Recognize this. An enigmatic man rarely delves into his daily experiences, refrains from disclosing weekend activities or forthcoming plans. This captures a woman's attention and sparks her desire to uncover more about him. Rule 6. Embrace confidence. Reject desperation. Confidence, the magic ingredient that sets the stage for something extraordinary. Now, here's the deal. Desperation isn't your friend. It's like a scent that she can sniff out from a mile away. Instead, embrace confidence. Confident men stand their ground, focus on self-improvement, and emit an irresistible energy that draws her in. Desperation, on the other hand, clouds your true self and pushes her away. So, stand tall, believe in your worth, and show her that you are not seeking her validation. When you are comfortable in your own skin, she'll be naturally intrigued, craving the aura of a man who knows his value. Confidence isn't about being boastful. It's about being comfortable with who you are. Remember, she's not looking for a savior, she's looking for an equal. Someone who can stand beside her with strength and authenticity. So, hold your head high, embrace your unique qualities, and watch how she's drawn to the unshakable aura you exude. Rule 7. Be authentic. Don't strive to please. Lastly, when aiming to capture her attention, avoid the pitfall of trying to win her over by acting foolishly or going to extremes just to please her. It's vital to understand that a high-value man doesn't seek to appease a woman at any cost. Instead, he deploys strategic methods that prompt women to pursue him. An effective technique embraced by such men is maintaining a non-reactive stance. This approach is a potent demonstration of self-assuredness, wherein your confidence radiates from your core identity rather than conforming to her desires. Being non-reactive signifies that your self-assurance remains steadfast, impervious to the sway of her opinions. This is crucial, as if she detects you are bending over backwards excessively, she might perceive you as a simp and ultimately dismiss you. Conversely, if you remain authentic and self-assured, you'll become irresistible in her eyes. Remember, the key is to be true to yourself and project unwavering confidence. This is what you'll find truly captivating. Remember, these rules aren't about manipulation or playing games. They're about becoming the best version of yourself and creating a genuine connection. So, go ahead, embrace your uniqueness, exude confidence, and become that irresistible force that makes her chase after you. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more empowering content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep rocking life.